Hello everyone, I'm Deepak, your English trainer. Welcome each one of you in today's lesson. Today I'm going to discuss amazing alternatives to use instead of I'm tired in English. Does something crop up into your mind when you hear the word tired? How does it feel when you hear this word? What do you think about physical, mental or moral fatigue? You know what, that it has a diverse meaning. There are ample expression. So through this video, we are going to see a number of alternatives. I am tired, which are indeed catchy and stimulating. Let's take a look at some of those that are most commonly used. So number one alternate is, instead of using I am tired, you can use this I'm exhausted. This is used to describe a state of tiredness. Let's see the example. After working 10 hours at office, I'm exhausted. So now you can see in this example that somebody worked at office for 10 hours, and after working 10 hours he was completely exhausted. Let's move on to the second one. The second one is I'm fatigued, which means that to describe a strong state of exhaustion after intense activity. This is bit similar to the first one. So let's see the example. I was fatigued after burning a midnight oil. So you can see that in this example I have used one phrasal verb, that is burning midnight oil, which means that someone worked for the whole night, and after that he was fatigued. Number three is I'm worn out. This is a phrasal verb which is used for object or item, means like for clothing, whether your clothes have worn out, or something like related to metal, but it can use to indicate a condition of extreme exhaustion. Let's see the example. When he came back from journey, he was worn out not to lift his finger. Another phrase I have used in this sentence, that not to lift his finger, which means that the person was so worn out that he did not think to do anything and he was completely worn out. Number four is on my last leg. This is really something meaningful. This is a figurative expression which means extreme fatigue if you are going to perish. Perish means here like someone who is going to die or something like that. So let's see the example. After attending the party, I was on my last leg. I hope you are liking it. The next one is I'm weary. This indicates a state of weakness due to some extra work, leaving no strength in you. Where like आप और कोई भी यदि एक्स्ट्रा वर्क कर लेता है और उसको लगता है कि उसके अंदर कोई स्ट्रेंथ नहीं रही है, देन वी यूज़ दिस एक्सप्रेशन ओवर देयर. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. I had been working on my lappy to complete my project. Understand now. Like someone was, working on his project for last 8 hours or 6 hours, and which made, his eye or like my eye weary. So the example is, I had been working on my lappy to complete my project for last 8 hours, which made my eye weary. Let next move on the next one, that is I'm wiped out. This indicates to sweep or clean completely, which means no vitality. When I say that vitality, it means like strength, energy, activeness. Let's see the example. The daily grinding wipes me out. Now the thing is, the meaning of grinding here means the daily activities. So the daily activities makes a person wipe out. I hope that you like this one. The daily grinding really just wipes me out. The next one is I'm beat. Here the meaning of beat is not like that somebody is being beaten by someone. So you have to understand the figurative meaning of this. So this means extremely tired and completely defeated. When we say that defeated means like when someone has a fight with someone, or the thing is this, one only wins and he or she is defeated. So in that you have to use this phrase that after driving 4 hours I am beat now. So here the meaning is really different, that somebody was driving for 4 hours and he feels or she feels like no strength in him or in her. So she is beat now, I am beat now. Next is I'm drained. This phrase indicates a state of fatigue in which you have no more activeness. This is also just was similar to fatigue and all. Let's see the example. Teaching for 8 hours at stretch. I have used one phrase over here, that is at stretch, which means continuously. It's not a cakewalk. Another phrase which means something is not easy. It leaves me drained. Let next move on the next one, that is I can't keep my eyes open. This is used when you are very sleepy, like you start feeling sleepy after doing something really hard and you barely slept a wink. Let's see the example. My mom woke me up early today, and I can't keep my eyes open. So this is what the phrase number 9. Now the last one, I am frazzled. This is used to indicate extremely tired in a nervous or slightly worried way after a lot of mental or physical work. Let's see the example. When he reached home, he was frazzled. So when he just got back home, he was frazzled, like he doesn't have any stamina in himself, just to do anything. So I hope that you enjoyed these new advanced expressions of I'm tired. Now use these alternatives to amaze others. And I'm cocky sure that this lesson will help you to build your confidence. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. We will see you in next class with something stimulating. Till then, do take care of yourself.